Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to access data in OBB folder in your Android device. Download and open Shizuku app. Click on pairing and then click on developer options. Scroll down and enable USB debugging. And then connect your Android device on someone's Wi-Fi or hotspot to enable wireless debugging. After enable, click on wireless debugging and click on pair device with pairing code. Enter this code in Shizuku app. Go back to Shizuku app and click on Start. Now go to ZArchiver app, click on three-dot in Open Settings and click on Root. Click on First option and select Shizuku. And now you can access data and OBB folder in your Android device. Like the video and subscribe for more videos.